Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the nightly curfew go start 11 o'clock. Desmond Mackenzie, or the Minister for Local Government, say he go get one detailed report on the amount of damage going in a Port Maria from the heavy rain we fall last week. The Jugs police said them find 315 pounds of ganja in a Machanil, Portland, Wednesday afternoon. American sprinter Justin Gatlin say him left athletic walk and him done with running. Now for the full tour of them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the nightly curfew go start 11 o'clock. Mr. Holness did a talk in the House of Representatives yesterday and this go stay until February 24. Right now, the 100 smart limit pan church change. The amount of people can go church now depend on the size of the church. On top of that, the Prime Minister said the COVID-19 number them a go down, so the country must get ready for go back to normal. Desmond Mackenzie, or the Minister for Local Government, say I'm going to get one detailed report on the amount of damage going in a Port Maria from the heavy rain we fall last week. Mr. Mackenzie did a talk yesterday when him and some other minister going at the place them where did flood out. Port Maria get flooded out several times since 2006, but them say last week flooding are the worst. Mr. Mackenzie say ministry I go give some money for help finish clean up the town, but them I go focus on Port Maria Primary School because the grade 3 classroom them can't use. The Jugs police said them find 315 pounds of ganja in a Machanil, Portland, Wednesday afternoon. The Jugs cost $2.2 million out of road and them find it near one empty boat at Sandshore Fishing Beach. On top of that, the police said them find enough bottle of gas in the boat. Nobody no get locked up. The detective them from the St. Andrew Central Police Division are looking at how one man dead after them finding body afloat in a one pool and Knutsford Boulevard in a New Kingston yesterday. The dead man, a 29 years old Ramon Henry, who was one security guard who come from Gulbert Close, Spanish Town in a St. Catherine. According to the report from the New Kingston Police, around 5 a.m., some guests woke up on the body and called the police. When them come, them see the body in the water. Police carry the body go dead house and them a wait for doctor tell them how him dead. The police said them lock up several people yesterday in a Prairie St. Anne cause them involved in a lot of scamming. Them get locked up in a one house in a Heartlands estate and the police said them find enough lot of scamming things. But the police said them see some things so make them believe so the people them a walk up here. The police said them see enough camera where did light and big cash, money release and clearance did ride past some of them. Now for sports. American sprinter Justin Gatlin say him left athletic and him done with the running. Gatlin, who is 40 years old, put it on him Instagram page where him write some things. People did expect Gatlin for left track and field after him never met America Tokyo 2020 Olympic team. Gatlin did win gold in the 100 meter at the 2004 Olympic in Athens. People, remember the curfew from 11 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.